Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out. And today I will show you how to open an account on AvaTrade, and that means that you already having an account on AvaTrade generally, but you want to open a real account or demo account, and then I will show you exactly what you need to do. So first of all, we are now here on the trade list, but if you go to the three lines left in the top, you can click on my account and then go to accounts. And then this is the place where you can create a account, because if you want to open an account, we can go right here if you want to open a real account, and then it's saying real account. Yeah, we can do also this for a demo account right here, but you can also do this immediately for a demo account right there. So now if you click here on demo account, you need to select the trading platform. So let's do the Ava Web Trader, and we want to use USD. Then we click here on Sumbit, and boom, there it is. We just created an account. So if you want to open an AvaTrade account, a real account or a demo account, this is the way how you can do this. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.